quart pot for about a half hour now. You just want to make sure that the cabbage leaves fall right off. And then as soon as you get that, everything else is done in a snap. You'll see. Hi guys, how's everything going? So today we are going to be making beef cabbage rolls. We're going to be making them healthier as we are in quarantine and it's hard to get out and work out and our gym is closed. So we are trying to stay as healthy as we can at this point with as much as we can. So right here we have our brown rice. It's just the minute-made brown rice that we've cooked in the microwave. They've cooked in the microwave for 5 minutes now. We're just going to let this sit here for a minute and cool down as we put. So as I was saying, we have the rice sitting there for a couple minutes as it cools down. And we have our cabbage over here boiling away. We want it to kind of get like a translucent color, so it's very easy to mold into our cabbage leaves. We are then going to put our mushrooms and corn in the microwave to heat up. Then we're going to put it all in a bowl, mix it all together, stick it in the cabbage rolls, and we'll be all set. And by all set, I do mean that we'll be ready to go on the stove at 350 for 20 minutes. Correction, almost forgot. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top instead of doing sauce. So we're cutting out all that extra calories and fat, anything you find sauce, sodium. So we're going to use olive oil instead. Drizzle olive oil on top of the cabbage rolls. Stick it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And then bon appetit. See you then. Right now I'm just cutting up some beef, chopping it up. Now you're going to want it fine. Just like the beef I did with the shepherd's pie. You want the same texture. That's what you're going to end up doing. But you're going to end up putting it in a bowl, mixing it all together. I go and put the steamed fresh because all of the vegetables I do are steamed fresh. I don't like corn. To me, if it's sitting around in water, it's not going to taste good. I'm very picky on the foods that I do. But we're going to have some peas and mushrooms, steamed fresh, which you can find in any grocery store. And we're going to put that in the microwave for 5 minutes, let that cook. And come back over here and finish up on our beef. Now I am staying away from any kind of seasonings just because I want a healthier dish. And I want you to get more of the nutrients than you are going to get with the flavors. The only thing you should be getting in this dish is from the actual food itself. So you're going to taste your beef, you're going to taste your brown rice. You're going to taste your mushrooms and your peas, and with the olive oil on top. It's going to be delicious. Alright, sit here and cook for a couple minutes, and we'll go get started on our mushrooms and peas. So this here is the mushrooms and peas I was talking about. Bird's eye seasoned garlic, baby peas, and mushrooms. Comes in a bag. You stick in the microwave for 5 minutes and you're all set. Back to our beef. And you know what, while we're over here, let's take a quick peek out at our cabbage and see how our cabbage is doing. Just turn this over real quick, get this to brown up. And this is also a dish you can make ahead of time and just stick in the microwave or cook real quick for 10 minutes at 350 on the stove. Or, my bad. 20 minutes at 350. If you just want to make it ahead of time, connect 4 if you got kids or sports or anything like that. on the stove at 350 for 20 minutes. And you're good to go. Alright, let's see how our cabbage is doing. Ooh. Now that's the color I'm liking. I know you guys can't really see if it's all steamed up. But dang, does that look good. Now I'm over here cooking the beef. I just want to make this very clear. I am not using any seasonings. I am not using any salt or pepper. I am letting the food itself bring out its natural flavors. A lot of cooks say use salt and pepper on everything. Yeah. When you're on a diet or you're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, you want to cut out as much of the salt and pepper as possible. So therefore, this is nothing but natural flavors. Now this brownish reddish color, it's actually more brown than it's coming through on the phone, I guess you could say. But anyways, this is the perfect shade of brown that you're gonna want for your beef. It's gonna cook more on the stove anyways. Now what we're going to do is we're going to strain our beef. Let that sit in the sink for a minute or two. Let that strain. As we mix in everything else and get everything ready. I'm gonna try and videotape this for a second, guys. But yeah, we're gonna want a cup of vegetables, a couple of peas and mushrooms. So I'm gonna have a cup of peas and mushrooms. Now mind you, this is only for 2 cabbage rolls. If you're gonna do more, then you're obviously gonna want more filling. And then I'm just gonna put my rice. And as you can see, I'm just mixing everything up before I come over and stick the beef in. Now you're going to want a cup of everything. So yes, there is going to be a ton of beef that's going to go down my garbage disposal today. And as you can see, a beautiful green. So there you go. In this bowl we have a cup of beef, a cup of peas and mushrooms, and a cup of rice. Now as I told you before, the peas were mixed in with the mushrooms, so it's a cup of mixture of peas and mushrooms. And then on top of that, we are just going to drizzle, and I do mean drizzle, some olive oil. Today we're using the Olive Classic Olive Oil. I'm just going to barely drizzle that in, just to give it an extra boost of flavor. Mind you, this isn't seasoning, it's not salt and pepper, it's just cooking oil to give it extra flavor. And see that beautiful shine on top. That's what you're looking for. So we're going to take the cabbage roll. We'll show you how you wrap these up. So now we're just going to take a fork. I'm hoping this doesn't steam up on you guys. I know it's going to, but I hope you guys can still see what I'm doing. And we are just going to take 2 of the cabbage leaves off. If they rip, that's fine. That was hot. Nothing like getting splattered with hot water while you're cooking. Am I right? Alright. So there you go, there's 1 leaf. I just want to let you guys know why I'm doing this. I am going to let these leaves cool for about 5 minutes. So there's our leaves. We're going to let them cool for a couple minutes. We'll be right back. So guys, here's the tricky part. These leaves do have a tendency to break, as you can see. So you got to try and work around that. That's going to be the hardest part of this whole dish right here. Surprised, aren't you? Just going to stuff it up as much as you can. Then we're going to glue it all together. With the actual leaf. The leaf itself was glued back together. trying to like scoop this out and keep you guys posted at the same time without dropping anything. Alright, let's see how we do here. Like I said, this is the trickiest part. Because you want it all to roll up. And glue it up together without dropping anything else. As you can see, it's having a little bit of mess, but you know what? That's extra goodness for later. Hopefully this will be easier for us. And then you are going to be left with extra mix, if you want to call it. Basically extra rice, beef, and peas and all that left in the bowl. So when we finish with this and everything's all wrapped up, we'll cook it. And then once it's about 2 minutes before it's completely cooked, they're gonna reheat this in the microwave for a minute. So when it comes out, we just top some more of this on top. Let's see how this beef does. Try and just look into the camera. So now we're just going to drizzle some olive oil on top. And we're going to stick in the stove for 20 minutes. So it's preheated. Let's put the timer on for 20 minutes. The timer. So time is on. 20 minutes to go. Okay guys, so here it is, the finished product. You're just sprinkling the extra mix on top. We are going to have it with the vitamin water to make it that much healthier. Alright guys, have a great day.